In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use the direct voicemail feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. This feature works similarly to iPhone-style voicemail. It allows callers to leave a message when you can't answer the phone, whether you're busy, out of coverage, or just unavailable. That way, you never miss important information. How to enable direct voicemail on any Samsung Galaxy S26 series. First, open the phone app on your device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Now look for Direct Voicemail. Tap on it and turn the feature on. Set Auto Send to Voicemail. You'll see an option called Auto Send to Voicemail. Tap on it and toggle it on. This setting automatically sends incoming calls to voicemail if you don't answer within a certain time. You can choose how long your phone rings before sending the call to voicemail. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or set a custom time. For example, if you select 10 seconds, any incoming call will go to voicemail after ringing for 10 seconds. You'll also find a voicemail transcript assist option. This lets you read what the caller says while the voicemail is being recorded. How to access voicemails on any Samsung Galaxy. To listen, you'll see a voicemail or microphone icon. Tap the play button and listen to the message anytime. Tap the volume button to listen at a higher volume. That's it! Now you can easily use direct voicemail on your Samsung Galaxy device and never miss an important call again.